Unraveling the phrase, burned up, a guide to fiery English expressions. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into an expression that can add some heat to your English conversations, the phrase, burned up. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to understand the nuances of English expressions, this video will ensure you're fully equipped to use burned up accurately in your daily communication. So, let's fire up our learning engines and get started. When you hear the phrase, burned up, the first image that might spark in your mind is something being consumed by fire. Literally, burned up describes an object that has been destroyed or charred by flames. For example, if a piece of paper were thrown into a fire, it would be correct to say the paper was burned up. Moving beyond the literal, burned up often describes a strong emotion. When someone says they're burned up about something, they're usually expressing that they're extremely angry, frustrated, or upset. For instance, if a person finds out they were deceived by a friend, they might say, "I'm really burned up about what happened." Now that we understand what burned up can mean, let's see how it works in a sentence. Imagine you're telling a story about your reaction to an unfair situation at work. You might say, "When I learned that I was passed over for the promotion, I was completely burned up." By using this expression, you're conveying the intensity of your emotions effectively. Interestingly, burned up doesn't always carry a negative connotation. Sometimes, it can be used in a more light-hearted or teasing way. For example, if someone is playfully expressing mock annoyance over a trivial matter, like a sports team losing a game, they might say, "I'm burned up that my team lost. But there's always next time." It's also fascinating to note that burned up can vary in usage across different English-speaking regions. While it's a fairly common phrase in American English, it might be used less frequently or in slightly different contexts in other English-speaking countries. Always be mindful of these regional differences, especially when conversing with native speakers from various parts of the world. And that brings us to the end of our fiery exploration of the phrase, burned up. Remember, whether you're talking about a literal fire or expressing heated emotions, this phrase can add a spark to your language skills. We hope this video has ignited your understanding and fanned the flames of your English learning journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Until next time, keep the conversation burning brightly.